Ever wonder what really happens inside your body when you eat carbs versus fats? When you eat carbs, your body quickly breaks them down into sugar called glucose. Insulin spikes, telling your body to store that sugar as fat, not burn it. This is why frequent carb spikes make fat loss harder than you think. But eating healthy fats triggers a different process. Your body uses fat for energy. Fat versus carbs. Your body treats them very differently on a metabolic level. Struggling to lose weight even after dieting? You're not alone. Stress, sugar spikes, and poor sleep can block fat loss, no matter how much you exercise. The solution? Focus on fat-burning foods and stable energy levels. Eating protein and healthy fats keeps your metabolism active and burns stored fat. Sleep is crucial. Proper rest balances hormones and supports fat loss naturally. Exercise triggers fat burning and boosts metabolism. Even 20 minutes a day helps. Hydration matters. Water helps your body flush toxins and burn fat efficiently. Combine proper food, sleep, exercise, and hydration, and watch your body transform. Fat loss is simple science. Calories in versus calories out. Eating fewer calories than you burn forces your body to use stored fat. Intermittent fasting can accelerate fat loss by letting your body tap into stored fat. Focus on balanced meals. Protein and healthy fats help you stay full and burn fat. Move more throughout the day. Even small activity increases fat burning. Stress management and mood balance are essential. Relaxed bodies burn fat easier. Swap sugar and refined carbs for nuts, berries, and healthy fats for better results. Combine these habits consistently. Your fat loss journey becomes easier and more effective. Let's talk about hormones, because fat loss is controlled here, not just in the gym. When insulin stays high, your body locks fat storage and blocks fat burning. Frequent sugar and refined carbs keep insulin high all day, but protein and healthy fats keep insulin stable and unlock fat burning. Stress hormone cortisol tells your body to store fat, especially around your belly. Reducing stress helps your body feel safe enough to release fat. Good sleep balances hunger hormones, so you stop overeating naturally. When hormones balance, fat loss becomes automatic. Most diets fail because they starve the body instead of training it. When you eat too little, metabolism slows to protect you. You lose muscle, and muscle is what burns fat. Smart fat loss feeds your body, not fights it. Protein preserves muscle and keeps your metabolism strong. This is how sustainable fat loss actually works. No extreme dieting, just consistent biology. Fat loss follows a simple formula when done correctly. Step 1. Prioritize protein in every meal. Step 2. Add healthy fats for stable energy. Step 3. Reduce sugar and refined carbs. Step 4. Move your body every day. Step 5. Sleep deeply to unlock fat-burning hormones. Give it time. Fat loss is slow but permanent. Fast results disappear. Smart results stay. This approach fixes the root cause, not just symptoms. Your body wants to be lean. It just needs the right signals. You don't need punishment. You need understanding. When you work with biology, fat loss feels easy. Stay consistent.